Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Thank you for the excitement.
Advance happy birthday, sir. Advance happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. To you. May God bless to you. May God bless to you. May God bless to you.
Senior को दिया रखो ना senior को दिया
have a boss like you, sir. I feel like sharing so many words, but I could not. The way our people, our boys, the way they are celebrating, it's really overwhelming.
Reciprocal. Reciprocal means anything in life is nothing but reciprocal. Whether you give respect, if you give love, if you give affection, if you give love to others, they will give you love. If you give anger to others, they will give you anger. If you hate to others, they will give you hatred. It's only question of give and take. So, always we should remember one thing, that we should be happy. We should be happy first. I should be happy first. Then I should keep people surrounding me, maybe my parents, my father, my family, my employees, my friends, they are all my surroundings, my society. Then I should keep them happy. Then your life will be happy. This is what actually I believe in, and I do it also.
Then we are also for
So many things in life, the aspect of good education, good health, good family, affection from others, which you cannot buy. Even if you give $1 million to someone, you cannot buy love from others. So that depends upon your personal behavior, body language, how you treat others. And you should always try to treat others as you treat yourself. So అందరూ ఏమనుకుంటాం, నాకు అందరూ గౌరవం ఇవ్వాలి, నన్ను అందరూ మంచిగా చూసుకోవాలి, ఇది కదా. నువ్వు అందరినీ మంచిగా చూసుకుంటూ వాళ్ళని మంచిగా చూసుకుంటావు. సో దట్ యాటిట్యూడ్ should be there in all of us. Then only we will be happy. And of all the things in the world, which is most important is love. Love for others, love for ourselves. Thank you.
Yes, sir. John.
the boys will arrange such a nice arrangements and all that. The cake is really delightful. Thank you very much to our team.
It's very colorful.
Yeah.
As far as it all depends upon how best you express your love and affection when occasion comes. The occasions like maybe birthday, maybe wedding anniversary, whatever the occasions, the best occasion comes, you have to have the love and affection you have. That's what I do. Whenever people are having birthdays, I just send my wishes and my messages. But that's how we express our love when the occasion comes. That's very important.
John.
God bless you.
Sarpatra garu idu. ఒక సైడ్ వస్తే అందరూ ఒక సైడ్ నుంచి ఎలా వచ్చేయచ్చు. అందరు రాలేదు. చదువు అదే జూమ్
త్వరగా త్వరగా తినటండి ఇద్దరు తినుకోండి అటువైపు
చిన్న ఫంక్షన్ కూడా డాక్టర్ గారి ఇన్వాల్వ్మెంట్ లేకుండా ఏ ఫంక్షన్ జరగలేదు.
చూస్తున్నారు
అందరూ ఇష్టపడి
వెళ్ళండి వచ్చిందా చెప్పేశారా?
వాయిస్ అంతా అయిపోయారా
మేము ఉన్నాం
కెమెరా మ్యాన్లే
చిన్న
I was not expecting it. Celebrations are always celebrations, we have memories. But unexpected celebrations, like very strong memories.
అయితే